Hey guys, it's Sheila, also known as Onyx Beauty 1988 here on YouTube, and today I'm here to share with you guys a tutorial on how to do a juicy, shiny, moisturized twist out using My DNA products. So I'm using 3 simple products from start to finish to achieve this look. It's so simple, so definitely stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I do is jump in the shower and I wet my hair. Get my hair nice and saturated with water, and then I apply the My DNA Hydrating Co-Wash Conditioning Cleanser. This stuff, you guys, is amazing. It has all types of good stuff for your hair that helps remove product buildup and residue without stripping your hair completely of the natural moisture and oils in your hair. So I love this stuff. It smells amazing, and this is the Manoi de Tahiti, which if this is what Tahiti smells like, I need to go. Book me a flight. This has aloe vera juice, it has jojoba seed oil, coconut oil, rosemary, keratin. Like, this stuff is the truth, you guys. So once I apply it to my hair, I work that into my hair, massage my scalp. I go ahead and detangle my hair gently, starting from the ends to the roots. Then I rinse my hair out. Then I apply this a second time, and I leave the conditioner on for 3 to 5 minutes while I continue with some other shower duties. Then I just rinse my hair out. So I just go ahead and I put my hair in 4 separate sections, and then I put my towel on my hair, and I use a microfiber towel so it doesn't dry my hair out. I go ahead and I get dressed. Then I'm ready to style my hair. So I take one of the 4 sections and I split that into a third, and then I go ahead and clip the rest away, and I just take a scoop of the My DNA moisturizing hair butter and I smooth that onto the hair. And then I also go in with like a detangling brush, and I smooth out the hair so that my twists are nice and smooth. And then I split that section into 2 and I begin twisting. And I find that if I take my time while I'm doing my twists, they come out so much better. So you want to take your time, making sure that your twists are tight, not too tight, but you want to make sure that they're not too loose, because you want to make sure that you lock in that nice juicy twist pattern into the hair. So I just take my time. I do that all throughout my hair, so each section will have a total of 6 twists. So it's not a whole lot of twists, and obviously you could do more or less depending on how big or small you want your spirals to be, but I chose that 6 sections for the hairstyle that I was going for. So I go ahead and do that to my entire head, and then I just let that air dry overnight. I put my bonnet on and go to sleep, and that's it. So the next day I take the bonnet off and I just take down my twist. I'm very careful taking down the twist. I kind of just let them untwist the natural way that they want to, and then I also apply some of the serum to my hands before I do that, and just so that I am not creating any frizz or anything. And this serum does a great job at giving your hair a nice shine as well as controlling the frizz. So I have very minimal frizz on my hair, and that really helps if you want to keep this hairstyle several days. So you can apply this serum throughout the week to lengthen the life of this hairstyle. So I just go ahead and I untwist them. Then I kind of just, untwist them again, and separate them. And I take a comb and I kind of just pick out my hair a little bit to add a little bit of more volume to my hair. And that's it. I applied a little bit more serum over the finished style, and that's the full style. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Be sure to check out the My DNA products. at a local beauty supply near you. You can also check them out on social media. I'll have their links down below. My DNA Curls in the description box. Make sure you guys check it out, and make sure if you haven't already that you are subscribed to my channel so you'll receive future video updates. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.